Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think, say, Jesus did a talk truth when him say, him yoke easy and him burden light? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, wait, pan. Just go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, yes, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 11 from verse 25 to verse 30. That time there, Jesus said, Father, you run everything in heaven and on earth. Me praise you. Me praise you because you hide them sitting here from people who think say them bright and have no sense. But you show Lily Pickney them. Yes, Father, and that you did happy for do. My father give me everything. I only the father one really know the boy Pickney. And nobody no really know the father. Only the boy Pickney one. And anybody else where the Pickney want to make know the father. All I know, we're tired and burdened down. Uno come to me and me will make uno get for rest. Just like how the cow take the wooden yoke upon their shoulder, I saw uno fi take up the sitting them when me tell uno for do and take in when me a teach. Cause me will take time with uno. And me really humble and uno will get for rest uno soul. Cause the sitting them when me a tell uno for do them easy. And the load when me they give uno it light. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.